Hi, Randy Perry here again at St. Paul's United Church of Christ in Trexlertown. I'm the organist and master of choristers. This is our second week of talking about the pipe organ and digital organ. Last time we discussed the general outlay of the organ and some of the information in its operation. So a very quick review for you. The current organ here at St. Paul's is an Austin Walker Technical combination that has pipe and digital sounds. A single rank of pipes, or digital, encompasses 61 notes. So that's 61 notes for one pipe. So each note on the manual has a pipe or a digital assigned to that particular rank. On this organ, we have 3 divisions or chests, and they house the pipes. Above me, or where my office is the swell chamber. Above where we come up from the choir room is the great chamber, and in the back on top of the balcony is all digital. There's no pipe work, it's all speakers. In the solely pipe ranks, just pipe ranks, there are 9 on the swell. Okay, 9 here, there are 9 over here on the grate, and there are 2 on the pedal. Everything else is supplemented by digital, okay? On the swell, we have combinations of flute, string, reed pipes. On the grate, we have the same type, but bigger, some bigger pipes and some different pipes. On the choir, it's all just digital. And then on the pedals, we have 2 ranks of pipes, but most of it is digital. So that's the quickest overview I can give you. Now, the lowest and the longest of the pipes is 16 foot long on this organ, but there are other organs that have 32, 64. But the lowest we have on this is 16 feet, then followed by 4, then followed by 2, and some mixtures. Now, mixtures are stops that combine several ranks of pipes of various lengths to sound together, and it's most used for color, brilliance. Without me getting too much into the weeds, this is really just a very basic description and overview. Now I'm just going to let you hear a few different sounds on the different ranks, and then we'll wrap it up. It's going to be a short one this week, but if we take the division that's on top of me, on top of my office, the swell, we have flutes, and you'll hear that they sound like flutes. Of various lengths. You put a 2 foot on. Then we have some strings. And if I were to put a mixture to that, it richens the tone. Then we also have an oboe and a trumpet. They're the reed stops. And then over here on the grate, which is on this side, we have what I usually use for hymnody and playing, for the congregations to sing. Again, flutes, a little bit different sound. You can go all the way up to 4 foot. We have a mixture, which gives you that. And here's another 2 foot. So it can all build and build and build. And then you have an open diapason, which gives it a lot of body, which you can hear there. And on this manual, we have chimes. And just this very day, our organ technician was in and he restrung all of the chimes in the great chamber. They're lovely. This also has a digital harp. Then you have your last manual, which is your choir, and this is all the way on the back. Also has a really neat stop here called a crumb horn. But my favorite is the festival trumpet. We have that in 16 foot, 8 foot, and 4 foot. So you can make a lot of noise. On the pedal, this division, we've got some flute. They're 16. They're long pipes. Then we have some 8 foot that are a little higher. And a 4 foot. And my favorite stop of all time on the pedals, the 16-foot trombone. So, they're all of the manuals, some of the stops. Now, these buttons here are called pistons. So I can pre-register all different types of arrangements of the stops. So to introduce a hymn, to sing a hymn, and to really let them have it. Okay, so when you combine all these things together with a nice pedal trombone, you have this. I would be negligent if I did not tell you we have one 32-foot stop here, but it's barely audible. You can feel it more than you can hear it. And this is called a 32-foot bourdon. I don't know if you can hear it. And it really makes, okay, and remember, the higher the number, like 32 is going to be really, really, really long. So that's about it. Now, next time I'll demonstrate some organ pieces using these stops and combinations. And then we'll probably go on to either another instrument or another topic regarding music. But we'll be with the organ next time. So until then, may God keep you safe and healthy. And we'll see you next recording. And thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.